Well, you can see the wheels are off, Fritz. The vote is in. I think I've gotten enough votes to kind of see the trend. But I do appreciate all those votes, by the way. Some people were very opinionated. You know, some people said, well, put AGM wheels on it, put 15-inch alloys on it, put, you know, whatever. But remember, I wanted to keep it original. As many of you said, you know, you could get the option with the alloys. Most of them came with the plastic hubcaps. I got a kick out of one guy in Germany. He says, well, in Germany, we just throw those plastic hubcaps in the trash bin. But you'll have to admit the plastic hubcaps are kind of unique. You don't see those every day. You see a lot of bunt cake alloys all over the place. You know, on 126s, 123s, R107s, 114s, and on it goes. So, you know, I kind of thought, well, maybe I should go with those plastic hubcaps because they're kind of unique, but finding a nice set is not easy. Of course, you can find a set, but if I'm going to get a set of plastic hubcaps for this car, they have to be really nice. I don't want to spend, you know, a week restoring them, only to have them stolen. Like one guy says, oh, you probably put those on and somebody's going to steal them. So I'm going to stick an alloy wheel up on here, see what you think, but pretty much that's going to be the final vote. It was a little over 2-1 in favor of the alloy wheels. So thank you all for your votes, and we'll go with what most of you suggested. I think you'll have to admit that old Fritz looks pretty good with these silver alloys, particularly with this metallic light green paint. You know, I do have a full set of chrome 14-inch bunt cakes, and I don't think chrome would look very good on this car. But chrome looks really good on my gold 300 SEL 4.5, so I think I'm going to save those wheels for that car. We're going to get a real nice set. You can see how nice the paint is on this. This was an original spare that had never been on the road. I doubt whether I'm going to get the other three looking this nice because I will have to repaint them. But when I got all four wheels on the future video, I'll let you see what this looks like cruising down the road with these new alloys on it. And oh, by the way, I'm going to keep looking for a set of those plastic hubcaps. You know, I'll keep the steel wheels. If I can find a nice set of plastic hubcaps, I'll put those on for special occasions.